Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. It's time to do this bird's eye view project. Let's get started. Here's what I started with. I had a cherry cobbler card base, I added a misty moonlight layer, then some very vanilla die shapes from the Stylish Shapes dies, and a cherry cobbler banner as well. Started off by stamping my background. I used the books with the Misty Moonlight on the Misty Moonlight cardstock, so color on color here, and you can see I alternated my placement from the left to the right side. Next, I stamped the bird on my die-cut circle with the Misty Moonlight, and then I used my blender pen and just shaded over the spotted, speckled part of the image just to add a little bit of shading to my image of the bird. Stamp that sentiment on the banner that's die-cut, and I used the cherry cobbler to coordinate. Once the bird was shaded, I added a cherry cobbler pair of glasses to his cute little face there. And then here are my pieces ready to prepare my card. So first I used the liquid adhesive, added my background and my die-cut circle. Then used the liquid adhesive to adhere the split cherry cobbler banner to the back of the very vanilla one, just to give it a little bit of added embellishment. Put dimensionals on the back so you can pop it up on your card. And then here we go, the finished project. Here's a peek at the full bird's eye view stamp set. Aren't they all really great, cute images to use? And then here's the charming sentiment stamp set I use for my sentiment. A little bit of everything for all of your card projects. I am a Stampin' Up! Demo, so you can shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, I will send you a card kit with a tutorial as a thank you, something you can create on your own. And I also have my website, susanwebster.stampinup.net, and find all my other projects on my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com. Thanks for watching today. See you again.